everyone, and welcome back today to my kitchen. I am Chioma. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome to the family, okay? Thanks for joining us, okay? So today we'll be making Nigerian chicken and turkey stew that the outcome was so delicious and yummy. Please friends, I urge you to try this recipe. Just give it a try, okay? But before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. Try and join the family, okay? And also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified, okay? And also give this video a thumbs up and also give your comment in the comment section. So let me show you the ingredients we need to prepare this yummy Nigerian stew. So here I have my fresh tomato. Here I have oil. I have my oil. Here I have chicken and the turkey. This is turkey, and I'll be using mixed chicken and the turkey. And here I have my tomato paste, kind of thin tomato. Here I have sweet pepper, sweet red bell pepper, it's just one. And here I have this garlic, and I have this ginger. I have 3 seasoning cubes. I have 1.5 onion, and I have this leaf. Here it's called abaka, but it's like a scent leaf, so I like putting it in my stew. So here I have salt, I have thyme, I have curry powder, I have habanero pepper, 1. You can put the quantity you want. We don't eat much pepper here, so I'll be using 1. And here I have rosemary, and here I have nutmeg. Firstly, I will start blending my tomato, the red habanero pepper, garlic, and ginger. I will be blending everything together. So after blending it, I will put it in the pot and then start cooking it to reduce the water. As you all know, tomato has a lot of water. So while that is cooking, we'll go ahead and start cooking our chicken and turkey. Then I will be adding my seasoning. And I will add my salt, the seasoning cubes, the onion, enough onion, yeah. Thyme, curry powder, a little rosemary, nutmeg, finally I will be adding dry grounded pepper. It gives it a nice taste. A little more. So now I will be mixing everything together. We mix well. So I will cover it here and cook it for few minutes before adding water. So here I added the water, and then I will cover it and cook until the meat is done. Wow, it smells so nice. So here our turkey and the chicken, they are done. Yeah. Now look at the tomato. After 45 minutes of cooking it, the whole water have dried. So now it's ready for frying. So now we start our frying process. I will add my onion to start frying the tomato. So after some minutes of frying our onion, so I will go ahead and add the fresh tomato that we cooked earlier on. Sorry guys, I thought my camera was recording. It was not recording. Sorry for that. So what I did, I just added the tomato that we cooked earlier on and the little curry leaf, and it has been frying for some minutes. So after that, then I will add the tomato paste. Then I will stir it very well and leave it to fry for 30 minutes, stirring it often so that it will not get burnt. So after the 30 minutes, look at what it looks like. The oil on top is a good sign that your tomato is well fried. So now I will go ahead and add my seasonings. I will add the curry powder, the thyme, then I will stir everything together. Now I will be adding my stock. Then after adding it, I will mix it very well and leave it to boil for some minutes. Then after that, if your stew has a lot of oil, it's time you remove the excess oil. And have you tried using this oil you get that from your stew to eat a roasted yam? If you have not tried it, please try it. After trying it, you will thank me for that, okay? Just give it a try. It tastes so delicious. Then I will now add my fried chicken and turkey. Then I will mix it well and leave it to cook for some minutes. Oh my goodness, do you see how that stew looks like? If you have not yet liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, okay? Only the aroma in the kitchen now is something else. So lastly, I will be adding the curry leaf. Then after that, our stew is done.